Good morning, ETHDenver. So, my name is Atharva, and here you are looking at BlindBid. It's 6:19 a.m. in the morning, just about to submit my project. So, just wrapping up, and happy to share what BlindBid is all about. So, BlindBid is a revolutionary privacy-first sealed bid auction platform. So, here's the problem, the biggest problem that happens today. Every procurement auction today is broken. While companies bid on contracts, think government tenders, enterprise supply chains, bidders can see each other's prices and they collude, they undercut. The best bidder doesn't always win. The fix sounds simple, right? Just hide the bids. But that creates a new problem. If nobody can see anything, how do you trust the result? Which is why I have built BlindBid. So with BlindBid, you solve both the problems. You have total privacy during bidding, full accountability after. Let me show you how. The solution is one sentence. We combine three technologies: Canton for private smart contracts, ADI for gasless payments, and Hedera for a tamper proof audit trail. Let me walk you through a live auction right here. So, as I said, we have different functions for all different kinds of things, right? First of all, I'm just gonna go and initiate the process, get the server running. So health check, first we verify everything is live on blockchain. Oh, by the way, everything is live on blockchain, nothing is mock data. Please feel free to have a look at the code. So yeah, everything is running on chain. Then the phase 2 is going to be create an auction. A seller creates an auction on Canton. They're buying 5,000 units of aluminum sheeting. They set scoring weights, price matters, delivery speeds, penalty rate, reputation, and all that stuff. So I'll just go ahead and create an auction. The auction has been created on Canton, and the bidding window will be open. Let me just go ahead and run this whole entire thing. So yeah, the bidding window is now open. Two bidders are invited, bidder A and bidder B. So what we can do is, oh yeah, by the way, here we are using ADI Foundation's Paymaster DevTools track. This is an awesome tool. We can sponsor gas for bidders using ERC4337 account abstraction. So what happens is, two bidders are invited and the contract is only visible to the invited parties. This is where it gets super interesting. Before each bidder submit, we generate a sponsor authorization using ADI's Paymaster. That means bidders don't have to pay any kind of token or gas to participate. The platform sponsors their transactions. So yeah, bidder A just submitted a price and delivery and a warranty, and bidder B, and then of course we'll also have to generate a payment authorization for bidder B. So yeah, we went ahead and did that, and then bidder B has submitted their bid. Now the awesome part is that the seller closes bidding, and at this exact moment we publish a hash commit to Hedera. This is a one-way hash. It means we can prove that bidding closes at this timestamp. Anyone can verify the sequence later, but nobody can reverse engineer the business data from it. And now we here I can show you the Hedera topic ID. You can also look at and the hash scan right now. It is all on chain. All right, and so once that is done, so it's going to be scoring an award. Now the seller scores both bids using the weighted formula. Bidder A scores 42.5 and bidder B scores 59, because of their price, their delivery, penalty, reputation, and all that stuff. And of course, as we can see, the award should be auctioned to bidder B, which is the winner, right? Now here, then it comes to the settlement part. Winner needs to pay. We generate a fiat to token quote, so 62,000 USD converted to ADI tokens with exchange rate, slippage protection, and a 10-minute expiry. The winner deposits into our escrow smart contract on ADI. Real on-chain transaction. You can see the transaction hash right here. And once Canton confirms all the conditions are met, the escrow releases the funds to the seller. Real-time on-chain transaction. And lastly, there is the audit trail. So we finally publish a settlement audit to Hedera with the actual transaction hash baked into the commitment. Now there's an immutable public record. Bidding closes at time X. Settlement closes at time Y with transaction Z. Anyone can verify. Nobody can tamper. And because we built a real paymaster, we also demonstrate what happens when things go wrong. Expired sponsorship, disallowed sectors, rate limits, missing policies. The system fails safely and explicitly. Alright, so to recap, what is BlindBid again? BlindBid gives you real privacy. Canton ensures bidders are blind to each other. Zero gas costs because of ADI. Thanks to ADI, had so much fun hacking on all of these tracks. trustless payments, escrow on ADI with real on-chain settlement, and lastly, public accountability. Hedera audit trail, anyone can verify. This isn't a mock-up. This for every contract, for every transaction, every audit commitment you just saw is real and on-chain. We also built. I also built a Hero CLI plugin for Hedera. It lets anyone publish, verify, and export auction art logs from the command line. The whole thing is deployed and working right now. You can also check out the website where I can show you a little bit about how it works, how the privacy works. Here we can see what view each bidder can see. So bidder A can only view bidder A's things. Bidder B can only view bidder B things, and seller can only view all of these things. And so yeah, this is a pretty ambitious project that I've tried to build here, and I want to take it to market. I think this is much more than a hackathon idea for me. So I had so much fun hacking on all of these tools. Really want to appreciate all the sponsors, and thank you so much.